Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a clear factory reset of your Cafelffe capsule coffee making machine SKU MK606. This is a machine for hot and cold brew technology with 19 bar pressure and a lot of possibilities to make capsule based coffee. If you like to give away trade-in or something else, you should perform a reset. That's possible if you have trouble with that machine, because it will brings that device to the factory default mode. How we perform this? You can see the machine is switched on, as you can see, and we are going to switch off on that switch here the direct energy supply, or we disconnect the socket. Now it's switched off. And while we are going to switch on the device, using the white connection, we press and hold the brew button. This is the right button. And we are going to push, hold, and wait until the device is flashing, switched off. Now we can reboot the system, and the system or the coffee making device is go back to factory settings. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Tut tut.